So how do we figure out a missing angle in a triangle given only two conditions? Condition number one being that we're given a right angle, and condition number two, we're only given two lengths. Well, we're going to go through some background knowledge, and in doing so, we can attempt to solve these four questions here. So in this triangle, we're going to start by labeling it out. We have our longest length, which is h for hypotenuse. Suppose we're figuring out this angle over here. We go as far away from it as we can, and we can label this as O for opposite. And whatever's left over, we're going to call A for adjacent. After doing this, we can then use this acronym to then figure out which of these three equations we can use to then solve our angle. Best way to use this and see it in action would be to start off with question 1. I'll start by labeling it. We're going to say this is h for our hypotenuse, our longest length. Find our angle that we want, go as far away as we can from it, and call this O. Whatever's left over is called our adjacent. Now we're going to use our two lengths that were given, h and a, find it in this acronym, and see which equation to use. So where h and a is together, on the left hand side we have c, which stands for cos. So we know we're going to use this formula here, cos. Cos of angle, which we don't know yet, is equal to a over h. A is 5, h is 10. We're going to simplify this underneath. We have cos angle is equal to 1 over 2. To take the cos to the other side, we're going to do inverse cos. So we're left with our angle is equal to inverse cos of 1 over 2. Simplifying this in our calculator, make sure it's in degrees. We're going to have our angle is equal to 60. We can do the same thing for question 2. We'll label it. Our longest length we'll see here is h. This is our angle that we want to find out. Go as far away as we can and label this O. Left over is A. The two lengths that we are given are h and O. Find that in this acronym. H and O are together here. Go on the left side. So we're using sine. And we'll write that down over here. Sine of our angle is equal to O over h. O in this case is 2. H is 6. Simplify this underneath. We have sine of our angle is equal to 1 over 3. We're going to do the inverse sine onto the other side to get our angle by itself. We have our angle is equal to sine minus 1, 1 over 3. And our angle is then going to be given as 19.5, rounded to 2 decimal places. Question 3, exact same thing. Our hypotenuse is our longest length. Our opposite would be as far away from our angle here. Left over A for adjacent. We have O and A are given to us. Find where that is here. O and A are together here. And on our left side we have T for tan. So we're using our tan formula. We have tan of our angle is equal to O over A. O is 5 and A is 2. We have inverse tan of 5 over 2. Simplifying this on our calculator, we're going to get 68.2. Round it to 1 decimal place. And finally, question 4, the exact same thing. H for our longest length. O as far away from our angle. A is what's left over. We have H and A together. Find where that is. H and A is here. Next to it is our cos. So we're using our cos formula. Cos of our angle is equal to A over H, so it's 9 over 10. Take the cos to the other side, we have angle is equal to inverse cos of 9 over 10. Put that into the calculator, we're going to get 25.8. Again, rounded to 1 decimal point. And that's it. Now, hope this was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.